Have you ever heard stories about animals that seem to predict the future? Dogs barking nonstop, elephants rushing to hills before a tsunami, birds abandoning their nests hours before a storm. Do animals have a sixth sense for disasters? In this video, you'll discover compelling evidence, real stories, and what science has to say about it. Stay until the end to understand how these signals could even save lives. Shall we dive into this mystery? But first, let's begin with a story that shocked the world. On December 26, 2004, a devastating tsunami hit the Indian Ocean, but something curious happened hours before. In Thailand, residents of a coastal village noticed that elephants began trumpeting loudly and ran to the hills. They didn't stop, as if they knew something terrible was coming. And they were right. When the tsunami arrived, those higher areas saved lives. Coincidence? Maybe not. In Japan, before a 2011 earthquake, dog owners reported their pets became restless, barking endlessly, and even trying to escape. One man said, "My dog was digging the yard like crazy the night before the quake." Stories like this aren't new. Birds leaving nests before storms, fish changing routes ahead of tidal waves. But what's behind this? Do animals really know something we don't? Let's explore this. These stories are fascinating, but is there science behind them? How do animals know something is coming? Their senses are much more powerful than ours. Think about elephants. They have super sensitive feet that pick up vibrations in the ground, like seismic waves that arrive before an earthquake. Ever heard of P waves? They're low-frequency vibrations humans can't perceive, but animals like snakes and elephants can feel. It's not just that, though. Dogs, for example, have such keen hearing that they pick up sounds we can't even dream of. Before storms, they might detect distant thunder or changes in air pressure. What about frogs? A study in Italy showed they left a lake days before an earthquake. Why? Possibly due to gases released by the earth, like positive ions which irritate animals. Even birds are part of this. They may sense subtle changes in the Earth's magnetic field, something science is still trying to understand. These animal superpowers aren't magic, they're biology. Yet, it's not always so simple. Not all animals react the same, and sometimes strange behavior could just be, well, a bad day. Nonetheless, these clues are so intriguing that scientists worldwide are studying to uncover this mystery. Is nature giving us signals that we haven't learned to read yet? Okay, but how does this really work? Let's delve into the theories. Now that we know animals have incredible senses, let's see the theories explaining how they might predict catastrophes. Theory 1. Seismic vibrations. Before earthquakes, the Earth sends out low-frequency waves, and animals like snakes and elephants feel them in the ground. In Japan, scientists noted snakes became agitated days before quakes. Theory 2. Changes in the air. Before earthquakes, gases like positive ions might be released, irritating animals. A study in Italy showed frogs leaving their lakes before a quake in 2009.